Okay, this is question 1 of 2023 Pure Paper 1. So, nice question there. It says, find the integral of that in its simplest form. Okay, so literally all we need to do is expand the brackets. So we've got x to the half times by 2x. And when I multiply that out, that gives me 2x to the 3 over 2. A half times 5 is 5x to the half. So we raise the power by 1 and divide by the new power. So that's going to go to 3 over 2 raised by 1 goes to 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2. A half raised by the power goes to 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. Now, the thing I would say is dividing by 5 over 2 is the same as timesing by 2 over 5. So 2/3 times by 2 over 5 goes to 4 over 15. And then 5 over 3 times by 2 over 3, because dividing by 3 over 2 is the same as timesing by 2 over 3, goes to minus 10 over 9. And then we need to remember to add c. So that is that first question done. Okay, nice straightforward integration one.